Okay, so now that you've got access to your TradingView indicator via WHOP or the website, we're using WHOP. I haven't recorded that video just yet. This is all going to be rather simple. So when you first log into TradingView, yes, you need an account. If you need help with that, there's Google, there's the internet. It's rather simple, but you would come into a home screen on your TradingView. It looks literally something like this. You're going to have your profile, everything you need, but what we're going to be doing is going into Supercharts. Now mine, of course, is going to load on the last template that I was on, which is Test Me. You can see some of our algorithms here. I've got a couple of others, but this is where it's going to load. You aren't going to have this. It's going to go to whatever the default white screen is or to whatever your last template was. So this is obviously going to look a little different. How you set up a template and all that good jazz is ultimately going to be up to you. I prefer to have darker colors. It's better for the eyes. You can, of course, to choose white and change all that stuff however you see fit, and then, of course, just save the template, etc. So that all notwithstanding, how do you find the indicator that you now have access to, the strategy? You're going to be coming up into here where it says indicators, metrics, and strategies. From there, you're going to scroll down to invite only and type in 6FTC. You should see that here. I can't say how many strategies and indicators you have, so that's just a really streamlined way to do it. Once you see what you're looking for, my first advice is to make sure you favorite it by hitting that star next to it. Okay, that's going to help you quite a bit just to be able to handle it. And as time goes on your investment journey, you might end up having quite a bit, so I always tend to favorite it. But from there, all I'm going to do is click on any one of these, and in this case, you can see I already have Continuity XCF on my chart, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Continuity XXC. I can talk. And it's going to add it to my chart. Now, I've already got it there, so it's probably not going to add. There you go. Now it's added twice, right? That's all you're going to do. Now we've got it on the chart. We can go ahead and close this down. It's there, right? Nothing else. That's all you needed to know. How do we get them loaded? If for some reason you don't see it here, you need to go back into your WHOP profile. Make sure you have typed into your username out of TradingView section, sign out of WHOP, sign back out of TradingView, and then come back and do it again. You will be able to see it here under indicators, under favorites or invite only, depending on how the author does it or how it's published. It might be under my scripts, likely not. It should not be under purchased, but as TradingView continues to make updates, I don't know where they're going to be storing things because they're updating quite regularly, which is awesome, right? Because we're getting better and better software, better and better technology. So you should see it. If for some reason you don't, it's likely a small thing. Go back into WHOP or the website, type in your TradingView username. It will authorize, and then you'll get it sent out. If not, send a message to our team. And honestly, this is all you're going to need to know to load any of our TradingView scripts into your TradingView. Same steps are going to apply for every single one of the different strategies and indicators. Now you've got it on your charts.